Papuans are so immersed in nature and music, they say that all men are birds. These are political songs composed by Arnold App.
Arnold App is a pure symbol, a pure martyr for the West Papuan people. This nation of singers and songwriters, that he's the true songwriter. He went to Sindawassa University in Jayapura and he was I guess a musicologist. He went round to all different parts of West Papua and recorded the songs, his West Papuan songs. Music's everywhere, you can't kind of separate it really from everyday life. In the way that a mother sings to children, there everybody's a musician, everybody sings. I mean, songs are so powerful in West Papua that they're banned from being sung publicly, they're banned from being sung on radio, and you're not going to suppress a popular resistance movement by banning singing.